guys, we're getting really autumny today, so I'm going to do a maple leaf skull tutorial. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for stopping by again. Please hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new, subscribe to my channel. And also, if you really like autumn, fall, then leave me a maple leaf in the comments. Let's get started. I'm feeling quite festive today. I've got a Halloween candle lit, this one, the Bibbidi candle from Bibbidi Bobbidi Candles. I'll leave a link to this company in the description. My nose is just so itchy in my eyes. I'm going to start a bit different to what I normally do. Normally I'll do the white base first, but today I'm going to do the skull, nose and the eyes first. So I'm going to go into a black face paint. Okay, so I've just done a rough paint job of the eyes and nose, and then now I'm going to paint the maple leaf on. I need to get some leaves today in the park for inspo. Now I'm going to paint in like the skull jaw shape, and I think I'm going to do it like a bit of an orangey colour. I then painted in the skull teeth, and I used an orangey face paint mixed in with a yellow one. And then I went into these orangey shades, and I just started to shade around the skull just to add a bit of texture and make it look a bit more 3D. I added nose eyeshadow to the eyelids and to the centre of my nose, and then I went in with a red eyeshadow and shaded in between the teeth. Just going to go into the yellow face paint and highlight all of the teeth now. Using a fine paintbrush and the red face paint, I started to paint on veins onto the leaf, and then I also added yellow at the end to add highlights. Okay, I'm going to start outlining things with black now, and also adding some white highlights as well. I think like the leaf could have more bits up here, so I'm going to add those. Oh my god, I need to sneeze. Painted on a scully neck, and on all of the orange bits on the design I decided to add some just fine copper coloured glitter. The final step was to go in with a black eyeshadow and add extra shading. Okay guys, this is the finished look. It's pretty obscure, but it's very Halloweeny, autumny, and also it looks really good in a picture for my Instagram. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Goodbye.